Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a home-based small store based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. So we deal with sarees and dress materials. Today I am having some dress materials. It is a cotton dress material. Sorry, it is a model silk cotton dress material. Okay, it has the embroidery work and also the lining. I will explain the dress materials while showing. Okay, all of them are priced at 850 rupees and the shipping charges is extra 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product plus shipping cost. Okay, I will show with the products now. So the fabric is a model silk. The top fabric is model silk. It has a lining, printed cotton lining. Okay, and the plain cotton pant with Nashim dupatta. So I will show you the details. Okay. So this is the first set. It is a orange color. Okay. The fabric, the embroidered fabric is model silk. This is the top fabric. Okay, it has the full embroidery in the top. Okay, and also the patchwork in the borders. This is model silk. It has the printed lining inside. It is a cotton fabric. It's a printed cotton fabric, and the plant is cotton, plain cotton, and the dupatta is a Nazim dupatta. It is a plain dupatta which has the borders that is contrast to the top. So this is the first one. All of the dress materials which I am going to show is same fabric and price is 850 rupees. So this is a orange color. The top fabric is model silk and the lining is printed cotton and the bottom is a plain cotton and dupatta is a Nasneem dupatta. So this is the first set. It's a orange shade. So the top model silk has full embroidery work in all the dress materials. So this is the first one. So this is how the dress material will be looking. So this is the first set. Okay. So I will be moving with the next one. So second is a parrot green color with white combination. So the top is model silk. This is the printed cotton lining and plain cotton white pant and white dupatta. So this is the second set. It's a parrot green color. So parrot green with white combination. Hope everyone can able to see the embroidery work clearly. So I will try to show you the embroidery details. So this is the embroidery. It's full embroidery. Okay, and it has the lining also. This material comes with the lining. So this is the second set. Yeah, so this is the second set. I will be posting the pictures in my page also, so you can refer to that. So next one is the red color with beige combination. So the red and beige combination, it has the printed cotton lining inside and a plain Nazim dupatta with just borders. So this is the third one. This is a red with beige combination. The pant is beige color. Okay, the pant is beige color. The top is red. All of them has different embroidery works. So the next one is a pink base with royal blue combination. So it's a pink base. It has the embroidery work in the middle part and also the piping design. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a pink with royal blue combination. It's actually Rani pink. In the video, it is the color which is visible is slightly different. Okay, so this is a Rani pink color, and it has the white printed lining, cotton lining. All of them are priced at 850. Okay, we deal with sarees and dress materials. We have stopped the imitation jewelries right now. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. We do COD across India. So this is royal blue with light green combination. The embroidery comes only in the lower part. Okay, and this is the dupatta. All of the dress material has a lining, as a piping design also. So this is the next one, and this is the lining you have inside. Okay, this is a lining. You have the white lining. The design will be reflecting in the model silk. Okay, whatever the design is in the cotton, it will be getting reflected in the top fabric. Okay, the top is a model silk. So it's similar to Chanderi. It's not Chanderi. It's similar to Chanderi. So it will get reflected. So that is the idea behind this design. All of them has a unique different embroidery designs. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It's a beige with orange combination. The dupatta is a plain dupatta with borders giving contrast design. So it has the embroidery design in both the corners. Okay, so it will be coming in the folding part, and you have the piping design in the center. So this it's in the diagonal design. So this is how the embroidery design will be looking, and you have the beige lining also. So this is the next set. It's a beige with orange combination. So all the pictures which we are displaying and sending across the groups will be having a near color. Okay, we try to get as much as possible to the real colors. Okay, however, a slight deviation, 5 to 10% deviation is possible due to the resolutions and lightning. So if you want to check, please have WhatsApp me. I will be sending you the pictures also. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I have given my WhatsApp direct link also, so that you can ping me without saving the numbers. Resellers are also welcome. Just a minute. Actually, this folding is a little different. Yeah. Okay, so this is the next set. It's again a red with beige combination. So you have the half of design. So this is how the dress material will be looking. It has a beige pant, and this is the lining. Okay, the lining design will get reflected in the top fabric. The top fabric is a model silk. The red color again is showing differently in the video. It's actually a blood red color. It will not be thicker. Okay, it's not brighter. It will be like a blood red. So this is the next design. You have a flower embroidery design here. So if you give a direct look, you can see that the designs whichever is in the inner gets reflected in the model silk fabric. So this is how the design will be coming when you are stitching and wearing. Okay, and this is a light grey color with pink combination. So light grey color with pink combination. So this is how the dress material will be looking. All of the dress materials are priced at 850. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product and the shipping cost. So I have mentioned my WhatsApp number in the description also. So my WhatsApp number is 91505 We are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We accept offline customers, but right now due to the lockdown situation, the offline customers are not welcome. So we deal only with online as of now. So you can place your orders through WhatsApp. You can just book the products if it's a confirmed order. So before dispatching, after lockdown, before dispatching, you can pay for the order and place the order. So this is how we are actually working right now in the lockdown situation. We don't know how long it will be extended. So once the lockdown situation is coming normal and the dispatch starts, we will notify you so that you can pay for the order. So that's all I have for today. Maybe in couple of days we will be coming up with the next set of collections. Resellers are also welcome with decent margin. So thank you guys.